Hello YouTube and welcome to fixitsamo channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to clean your battery terminals. As you guys can see over here, they are so badly corroded, I don't even know if I'm gonna have to change them or not. So just in case, I got two brand new ones, but first we're gonna start by cleaning them and then we'll see if we're gonna have to change them. Alright, so don't forget to use some eye protection and some gloves just to be on the safe side. Okay, so first we're gonna put some baking soda all around the terminals. And what I'm gonna put over here is hot water. I'm gonna put some more. I'm gonna put a bit more. And you can use a brush just to make sure that the baking soda will penetrate between all the small cracks, and give it like a few seconds, and then you can add more hot water. And make sure to spray the battery in the bottom over here to rinse it very well. As you guys can see, using baking soda removed everything. It's amazing. Alright, so now we're gonna start by removing the terminals. Okay, we're gonna have to be careful here. As you guys can see, the battery terminal is the positive side is very weak, so I'm using the needle nose to hold it. There you go. And now we're gonna make sure that our battery terminal is not damaged. As you guys can see, it's damaged over here, so we're gonna have to change the positive side. But first we're gonna clean the battery and then we're gonna change the positive side over here. Okay, so to clean the battery, I'm gonna be using this brush over here. You can use any metallic brush you want. This one I usually use for plumbing. Now we're gonna make sure to clean it very well. Alright, so after checking my battery terminal, the negative also has to be changed. It's damaged on the bottom, so we're gonna have to change both of them. Just in case you don't have to change them, I'm gonna show you how to clean them. Simply just use your metal brush like this and spin. Make sure to clean it very well. And you can do the same thing for the other side. There you go. So basically, if you don't need to change them, just clean it as I showed you and plug your cables. Alright, so now we're gonna remove our battery terminal. So if you guys having some difficulties, you can simply just put it like this in its place and then hold and do this. There you go. All right. Make sure also to clean the cable over here to get better connection. Okay, so now it's time to install our new battery terminal. There you go. Now we're gonna make sure that it fits in properly. Perfect. Alright, so now we're gonna do the negative side and then we're gonna plug our battery. We're gonna do the same thing, we're gonna clean it properly. We're gonna tighten just a bit and then we're gonna make sure that it's in the right position. Looks good. So now we're gonna tighten the nut. There you go. Gonna make sure that it doesn't move. And now we're gonna do the positive side. There you go. And the last step is I'm gonna be using this product over here. This will protect the cable terminals. So I'm gonna spray it. Make sure that I put everywhere. Do the same thing here. You can also use the battery terminal connectors like this one. Simply just put it like this. I'm gonna do the same thing here. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Fixitsamo and we will see you next time.